I'm going to show you now the use of the clarifier for divers. I'm going first to show you the simple operation of the clarifier, okay? So as you can see here, I have connected my USB that is coming from the connectors. I mean, these are the connectors that I'm using that are inside the connection box. So you've seen this part. And now I'm going to start the clarifier here. So here's the shortcut. I will start. I double click. And it gives you this little bit here. It starts with a command window, as we call it. In the new release, this is going to go away, so don't worry about it. And now I have the clarifier, okay? So the first thing I'm going to show you is here. I go to device settings, okay? I click, I view, okay? Now look, this by default has gone to the integrated webcam. This is not what you want here. So I'm going to close it, and now I am going to change it. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is to press refresh devices. And now I'm going to see change. I hit the option change. Now I have options here. You need to choose Inogeny SDI to USB 3, this one. Now, if you have a microphone, or if you want to record the communications with the diver or communications within the control unit, then just leave it here because the original will also record audio. Please stay with this configuration, and I have 30 frames per second, so don't touch those. Save the changes because those will be the changes you will find next time. Close the window. Now, next place is to go here. Where are you going to record the videos? Choose the location. I typically choose the location that is sort of easy. For example, here I'm going to use my videos. Okay? And I will just leave it here. I can use the capsules or I can use something else. I'll just use the plain video folder. Select the folder. Next time you will open your clarifier, the working directory will be saved, and so the clarifier will remember that one. So you won't have to put it back there, but always make sure that you have the location where you locate the videos, okay? So that's quite important here. If you don't like that, then I'm going to change, for example, if I don't like this, I can change the location. I want to see who is this users recording. So that's actually the videos of my videos here, the users' videos, okay? So put cancel here. I made a mistake, okay? Root folder not selected. Okay, so choose again the location, and I'm gonna use, it should be here. It should be select the folder. Okay, I don't get the error message now. The last thing is to see what I want to do. Do I want to record the video? So let's view those. Here I have the original video. It is going to be captured, and just leave it on high. And then I want to see the enhanced video, the one that the clarifier will produce, which is going to be cleaner. That is also going to be high. You can select also, and you see these boxes should be checked because you might want to give to your customer the video, both videos, the original and the clarified. Audio quality, just use the default Don't mind about that. It's going to be good anyway. It's not going to be symphony orchestra recording, but it's going to be okay. And I keep this save. Close. So this is the first basic operation. Next time that you will start recording, you will not need to do any of this. Once you have connected here, from the capsule box, the cable that comes from the coaxial, the USB cable that comes from the connection box down here to your computer. This is a USB 3 for my computer. Everything will be ready. Just turn on the computer or wake up the computer after you have made the selection. Otherwise, you will have to go through the process of refreshing the device settings. And now I'm ready to start recording, okay? Now my diver is in the water and I'm ready to go. So I press the button capsule. I press the button capsule and I have the original here. There's no diver. So you see a little bit of the reflection of my kitchen. And this is the original on the left. You see it also has a timestamp. The timestamp is set according to the zone of your computer. Now you hear also that the fan is starting because now the fan of the GPU is working hard to keep it cool. This part is the clarified, the one that is going to give you the details when the water is murky. If you want to make this bigger, just click on it and you will make it bigger. You want to restore the original size, click again. Click here, the tap. See here? I tap back. Same here. You want this bigger? You click in the middle of the touchpad. Or essentially you can use, if you use a mouse, you can click with the mouse as long as the cursor is on the window, because this depends where the cursor is. Okay? If it is, for example, here, that's not going to work. It only works when you put it, as we say, on the object. You see the message here, click to enlarge. Let's pull this message out. Now, I can change those settings. I don't advise you to work a lot with the denoise level. That's probably more for the people who have some higher technical skills. You can change the color a little bit, the saturation. You see, you make, by moving the saturation, you also include this graininess, which is not very good, and you make the colors a bit exaggerated. The colors are generally represented faithfully. In general, I don't move that much. I just might put it here to 1, number 1. I may increase a little bit the contrast level, not too much as well, because if you increase it too much, then you make it ugly. Look, here it's not good. And that, especially if you are in turbid water, this is not going to be a nice setting. This is kind of a low setting. I play by trial and error here. So sometimes I keep it there. And if you want more brightness, you do that here. Okay, now that affects only the clarified. This has fixed settings. You can't change that. So this is now, as I said, you're recording, okay? I advise you not to touch these for now. This is for the advanced user. The user who is non-expert, I advise them to just stick with this basic operation and also that. If I want to pause the recording, okay, both recordings and the video, I put here, now it froze, okay? I move my hand, but you can't see it because the video is paused. If you want to resume the video recording and also the process of the live stream and the clarified stream, then you hit here and you press essentially the button resume. And now you have the video. So you see, you got that. If I want to take a snapshot, I see something interesting, I want a picture of this. Instead of having your diver take camera with them and take pictures, you can use the option snapshot. The snapshot will also have the timestamp that you see here. And it's being saved in a special folder. Okay, we will see where this folder is. Now, suppose that I want to stop this operation because my recording has to finish. I press the button stop and I wait a little bit. Do not hit this right away, okay? Wait before you hit this. Wait, I would say wait about 30 seconds to 1 minute and then close the application. So this is the basic operation of the Clarifier.